Hi there, my name's Craig and welcome to my channel, My Home Hob. This week we're going vegetarian and it's going to be a 4 bean chili. This is so smoky and so rich. Even I was so surprised how this turned out. Try it, you'll love it. Here's a list of all the ingredients you need to complete the dish. These can also be found in the video description. So let's get on with the cooking. And here we have 1 stick of celery, finely diced. 1 pepper, any colour, finely diced. 1 white onion, finely diced. 500 milliliters of tomato passata, 1 tin of mixed beans, this is Haricot, Canellini and Adzuki, and 1 tin of kidney beans, 200 milliliters of vegetable stock, 2 tablespoons of Chipotle paste, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, and 2 cloves of garlic, finely sliced. And first of all, we're just going to fry off the onion, celery and pepper for about 5 to 7 minutes until they're slightly soft. And next we're going to add the garlic, the cumin and the chili seeds. And just fry these off for 1 to 2 minutes. Mix it all in very well. Now it's time to add the beans in any order that you like. After this, we're going to put in the tomato passata, give it all a good mix around. Make sure it's all incorporated really well. And now it's time to add our smoked paprika, our chipotle paste, and finally our vegetable stock. We're just going to give this a good mix around. And now just leave it on a very gentle simmer for around half an hour. You'll notice that the sauce thickens itself up, so don't worry about it being a bit loose at this stage. And after 30 minutes it's cooked. Time to serve it up. And I'm serving mine with white basmati rice, but this would really go well with pasta as well. And here you have it, my fully vegetarian 4 bean chili. If you have liked what you've seen today, please remember to like the video and maybe subscribe to the channel. It would very much help me grow my channel. Thank you very much. My name's Craig. You've been watching My Home Hob. See you again next week. Bye bye.